welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shaughnessy, and on this channel we discuss fragrance, beauty, and wellness. And if you simply like to have a good time and like my vibe, subscribe. So in today's video, I just hauled this Kilian Paris Discovery set, and we are going to test out the fragrances. I just took off the cellophane. I have not seen it, so I want to open it so we can look together. Very nice, very nice. Now I'm gonna push that in. So I told you all I would purchase this if it went on sale at the VIB sale at Sephora, and it did. So I can't wait. We are going to, well, let me show you the case. This is like, I would say tribal. Oh, it's magnetic. Look at Shaughnessy. Finally got some magnetic with some fragrance. I was like, what is up with this? So here's the travel case. Very nice. I like the black, but I don't know. I would like something a little girlier. I like the white and gold, but it's nice. Okay, so what's the first fragrance? So this is Bamboo Harmony. And if I can, and if I remember, you all, I will try to put the, well, let me show you. These are how the vials look. Very nice. Got the K on top. I'll try to put the full bottle picture up. Okay. So Bamboo Harmony, I haven't heard anything about this. I don't know anything about it. This was not on my list to try. Ooh. Ooh. This is not on my list to try. It's kind of like a, and I know no notes, nothing. This is not a review. This is a first impression. Sorry, when I start smelling fragrances, my nose starts itching when I film. This is a very green. Yeah, it's a very green, but like a tart fragrance. I would have to smell this on my skin, but I like it. But it's some undertone in there. Like it's very sharp that I don't know if I would like it. But I would say this is a fresh green fragrance. Maybe a hint of citrus. Yeah, maybe like driftwood. Like think of ocean, like you're in the ocean, or you cliff. That's what I'm getting. Like waves are crashing. I don't know, but I do like it. But like I said, I don't know if I would wear it. We'll have to see how it does on my skin. Okay, what? Ooh, no, I don't want to accidentally spray one now. These are so hard for me to get out. Okay, this is Moonlight in Heaven. And this wasn't on my list. I don't remember hearing much about this either. I don't hear much about Kilian fragrances. Not a ton. You know, like you put in MFK, you get a ton of videos. Kilian is kind of hard. What is this? Moonlight Heaven. This smells like gardenia. Like a creamy gardenia fragrance. And I am not a lover of gardenia if it's a prominent note. You know, if I can, if I have time and remember, I'll try to put the notes up here too to see if I know anything of what I'm talking about. I don't know. That's what I'm getting. I don't know about that one because I don't like gardenia. So let's see what, and I'm not going to spray Good Girl Gone Bad because I have that one. I did a whole video on it. And other Kilian fragrances, and I'll link that up above too. Oh no, not Good Girl. I have Love Don't Be Shy. That's the one I have. Good Girl is the one I have been dying to smell. So this has been on my list, y'all. So let's see if I like it. I don't know, because immediately when I smell this, it doesn't smell like Good Girl Leger, but it puts me in the mindset of Good Girl Leger. Like, it's floral. It's not sweet. I thought it would be some sweetness, but I don't know. It's very, am I the right one? Yeah. It's very, very floral. And I don't mind florals, but this, I don't know. This will be one I'll have to wear on my skin, because, you know, that can change everything. So I'm probably going to do an updated video about what I think, because this one gets such good reviews. Good Girl Gone Bad. You know, you hear the most for women about Love Don't Be Shy and Good Girl Gone Bad. And I was like, okay, I love Love Don't Be Shy. So I was like, I'm going to love Good Girl Gone Bad. But no, I don't know. So this is Rolling in Love. This is another one that I was very interested in trying. So let's see. Ooh, oh, I like that. Okay. Ooh. This smells classy. Like a rich, powdery scent. Little smokiness. Oh, I like Rolling in Love. Yes, 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 yes. I like that one. But again, you have to try everything on your skin before you're like, oh yeah, I'm about to go get this. You got to wear it and see, especially with these prices. So this one is Straight to Heaven. Oh, that didn't spray very well on that one. I don't really haven't heard anything too much about this one either. This to me smells cologne-y. Yeah, it smells like a cologne, a men's cologne to me. Smells good, but I don't know. I am not unisex girl when it comes to fragrances. Some I like, but for the most part, I like to smell very feminine. Oh, but now, this is what I like the way it smells. I like the way Straight to Heaven smells, but on the paper, like, I got a whiff of sweetness and then it went straight back to men's cologne when I did this. So this is what I'm going to have to wear too. Yeah, I can already tell I'm going to have to do an update on this because, yeah. Okay, we have two more to go. This is Black Phantom. Now, this is one I've heard that it's masculine. That is considered a unisex fragrance anyway. I can't remember if Straight to Heaven is. I want to say it is. So Black Phantom, I was like, this is strong. Now, it smells good, but it's strong. I am getting like a strong coffee scent. Like a coffee bean rich coffee. And this also kind of puts me in the mind of that Kayali fragrance. the black one. I can't remember the name of it because it's new. I just got it in a haul video, and I did a video about it too. I'll link that above. But it reminds me of that one. Kayali Elixir. I think that's what it is. And also, like I said, like that fragrance reminded me of Nirvana. I think it's black. Yeah. That's what it's giving me, reminding me of. I'm not saying that it smells exactly like them, but that's what it reminds me of. I like it, but like that is strong. It's like in my nose, in my throat. Woo! Okay, this is the last one in this set. And this one is Intoxicated. I haven't heard anything about this either. So let's see. Will it intoxicate me? This smells like straight down the middle unisex. Like a little sweetness, a little freshness, but it's got some depth. It's got some weight. And I still feel like some of that coffee note is in my nose from Black Phantom. I don't know. So, you know, I have to say, with Kilian fragrances, I'm coming to realize that so many of his, I believe, are considered unisex fragrances that I'm going to have to really wear these and see how they perform on my skin and see what I feel about them. But am I happy that I have this discovery set? Yes, I am, because I'll get to try, because I thought about trying blind buying Good Girl Gone Bad because I heard such, you know, great reviews that it was wonderful. And okay, what was that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's smell it. And yeah, and on this paper, it's not doing anything for me. Just from smelling these on the test strips, the only one that I can say I love immediately is Rolling in Love. So we will see, and I will do an update, but I'm glad I have this. I'll get to try them and play with them and see which one will be my next Kilian fragrance purchase. So if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Do you have any of these fragrances? What's your favorite one out of the ones I mentioned in this discovery set? And mention some other Kilian fragrances that you love that are not in this set, because I'm loving the House of Kilian right now. And this is the Kilian and House of Sierra are the fragrances I'm kind of going back and forth when to purchase based on sales and based on my wallet. So leave suggestions and tell me what you think about any of these, or layering tips, just anything you can tell me about Kilian fragrances. I am all about it. Please share this video with anyone who you think will find it interesting. And please turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as I always say, if you like my vibe, subscribe. Until next time, bye.